What if I told you that your computer could earn you crypto while you watch Netflix or while you're gaming, and it doesn't actually use that much computing power? Today we're going to be talking about Tari, because Tari is its own app and blockchain that allows you to casually mine in the background with your computer. Now, to me, after using this, it definitely feels a lot like Bitcoin in the early days, but without all of the crazy mining rigs and setup that you would have to do. I mean, this is super simple, as we'll explain, but you simply download it, run it, and yes, it will just work and start mining your crypto. So here we are on the Tari website, and this is just a fantastically modern looking website, just as something off the bat to show quality here. Really impressed with this. We can see 700,000 people have already got this, and this is definitely going to be a first mover advantage type of thing. So if you do want to get involved, all you got to do is press this download button. But before we do that, let's just talk about what this thing actually is. We can see that it's really just saying that you can earn passive income simply by having this running in the background. So put your computer to work earning Tari Gems. The more gems you earn, the larger your Tari Airdrop. Tari is a revolutionary new cryptocurrency. It's safe, it's fast, and it's so easy to use that even your grandma can do it. And you don't even need any crypto experience here, guys. This is simply just a download and run type of scenario in which you download, you earn gems, and then, yes, you can essentially cash in on this airdrop when the project launches. But what exactly is the project? Well, here we can see Tari is a layer 1 protocol powered by you. Proof of work, beautiful apps anyone can use, and an ingenious app platform to put all of its power in your hands. So basically, you mine Tari to secure the network and earn rewards. Tari is an ASIC-resistant algorithm and ensures real users, not bots, benefit. They have 70% of the tokens allocated to miners, and mining is the best way to earn Tari. The point of this blockchain is to be super fast and efficient with ultra low fees. And if we compare that to something like Bitcoin, Bitcoin is relatively slow in the blockchain space, and the fees are pretty ridiculously high. And that's why it's become more of a commodity rather than what it was initially designed for, which is to be cash. But the Tari blockchain is a lot more likely to go in the direction that Bitcoin was meant to. And it actually allows for developers to build on it super easily. They've actually got this platform called the Tari Universe. And the Tari Universe bundles a Tari miner, wallet, and app launcher into a single stunningly beautiful interface. And just based on this website alone, you know they're telling the truth. I mean, this is pure modern UI straight off the bat, and something that is actually quite impressive when you're looking at it. So let's talk about how to download this. If we want to click download here, we can actually go to this next page, and then we can see this window pop up. All we're going to do is click save here, and then, yes, we will have this on our system. And then we are going to run it like we can see it working here. And as you can see here, guys, super easy. It's just going to mine this for you, and then you're going to be rewarded with the airdrop. This is something that's fantastic. And just in terms of UI, I really am loving this. So when does this actually launch? Well, normally with airdrops, you probably can expect a launch in years' time, but we can see here with this one, it's actually set to launch this month. So that's something that's fantastic, and that will be the mainnet launching. So getting involved and getting that first mover advantage on this airdrop could be something that does earn you quite a lot of ROI here. So if you do want to check it out here, guys, then go ahead and use the link in the description. It's literally 2 clicks to download this, and then you're set up, you're going, and you are earning those tokens. And you never know, this could be one of those blockchains that end up rivaling Solana or Ethereum. We've seen it happen before, and it can definitely happen again. So I would definitely keep this one on your radar, and just go ahead and try and get some of this airdrop anyway. And I will be updating you in the future about this project, so everyone is in the loop. And I will be doing a lot of research on this as well, so definitely stick around and hit the subscribe button. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next one.